Lucy's 5th birthday party, December 4th, 1993. It's going to be a Mary Poppins theme. 17 Cherry Tree Lane. They will enter the dining room, where they will put together necklaces and draw pictures until the MP woman arrives. We have cherry-colored balloons, and the kids will each get a special Mary Poppins hat to wear, and later on a goodie bag. And she will probably land on the roof. It's hard to say. Bert has already arrived, by the way. Here's Bert. Hello, Bert. Can you say hello? Do we want a fire, or do we want to skip that at this point?
Let's skip it. It's one more thing.
We can have one after the party.
Yeah. So
and there's Mary Poppins herself, right here. Little Mary. Hello, little Mary, and happy birthday to you.
Hello.
I'm taking a movie of you on your 5th birthday.
Mary Poppins will arrive shortly after the last guest comes.
We hope. That's what we're planning.
I know she will. She
She
said
has
she
a
would be there.
tapestry bag. Sam dressed as Bert, all in black, complete with black face. Where are you, Bert?
Hey, you little chippy
Bert,
sweep.
turn around.
Don't get that black stuff
Bert,
in your eye.
Bert, 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 Bert.
Don't press against your eye, Sam, like that.
Sure would like to.
No.
Looks like that kid in Witness.
No, that's my camera.
Okay, this is where Mary Poppins
that's
will
your
sit.
camera?
Lucy decorated the throne.
Or
Mary
may-
Poppins and Lucy can sit
Lucy
together.
may sit on her lap or by herself there.
And then-
whatever Mary Poppins and Lucy have agreed to do.
The actual scene of the. Oh, are you gonna?
When your guests arrive.
You gonna do those Are you gonna do the balloons or not?
Oh.
You know that countryside?
It was,
Okay.
what countryside? I don't know what you
When they
mean.
jump into Bert's picture.
Oh.
The Penguin song, Raspberry Ice Cakes and Tea. Now here we have the willow tree growing in our kitchen. Huge willow tree grew in our kitchen yesterday. Huge willow tree, and under the willow tree is where the tea party is going to take place. We have special tea party dishes and beautiful drawn-on placemats. Kids will be having, as I'm sure we will have some tape of, tea, complete with sugar and milk. They'll be having cakes, sandwiches, raspberry ice and tea, and punch for those who don't like tea. Now we have some more balloons to put up.
What I want you to do is one by one come up to me here, and we're going to whisper in my ear. I'm going to have you reach in the bag and feel what you think the things are in my bag, and I'm going to set a little timer here, and you can feel what you think those things are in there, and you can tell me, and whoever gets the most will get one of Mrs. Claus's special candy canes. Who would like to go first?
Me.
All right. Okay, remember to whisper now so no one hears what you think it is. Okay, you tell me how many things you can think of here. All right. What do you think it is? What do you think?
He did.
That's one. Okay. Take it out. Do I have Bert? Oh, it's a recording. Sounded just like.
Really, Sam's birthday.
Well, I loaned Bert my parasol. I didn't notice I didn't come with it. Thank you, Sam. I thought it'd be kind of silly to carry a parasol for rain in the middle of the winter. Okay? everyone have one? Did you get a ring?
Well, one of the most fun times she ever had is when she starred in the movie. Remember when you starred in the movie, Mary?
That was very fun.
And there's one part of the movie that has where Mary and Bert have a tea party under a willow tree, and they have raspberry cakes. No, raspberry ice cakes and tea, and that's what we're gonna under the willow tree. We're gonna have raspberry ice cakes and tea, just like you and Bert did.
That sounds
Remember, and when you and Bert did it, there were penguins serving you, but we couldn't get any penguins to come from the South Pole.
Well, they're kind of busy, I imagine.
Yeah,
Kind of a long way for them to come.
it's a long way.
They can't serve tea.
We thought of having Sam be a penguin, but I didn't think he could do any serving.
It would
Would you like flowers and have your dress?
You don't think the penguins would talk, Sophie?
I got it.
Where's number one?
What did Mary Poppins pull from your hat, Lucy? What did she pull from your hat? Was she doing a magic trick?
Yeah.
She pulled a penny out of your flower, didn't she?
Yeah, she did.
Blew it away and then suddenly it appeared in your...
How in the world did she get it there?
I don't know how.
You know, Lucy Catherine's having something painted on her face now.
Sophia.
Sophia,
Sophia.
got one rabbit on it. I'm a rabbit with a carrot. You're welcome.
Your shoe white?
Okay.
Nobody birthday.
You do?
Yeah.
Did you like Mary? She's pretty neat, isn't she?
And I have this every birthday.
Well, we'll see. When it gets to be next year, Lucy, we'll find out what all our options are.
If you have Mary Poppins, you know what? You can
Hi, Liz.
I mean,
There's Ellen Barr.